It's me again, Hesper, and welcome to my channel at Lovely Hesper. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button so you'll be updated every time I upload a new video. Okay? So in today's video, guys, we will do the swatches of this newest summer edition, limited edition of this eyeshadow from L.A Girl, the Hot Hot Heat. Yes, and actually this is one of our PR box that we received from them recently. So this is my second PR box from them, and they launched this actually last April 25, and medyo yan, na-late tayo ng upload or na-late tayo ng pag-film. Hopefully you understand, no? Medyo busy tayo and medyo busy ang schedule natin. So anyway, babawi tayo today. I'll show you this newest eyeshadow, the Hot Hot Heat from L.A Girl. So hey gorgeous, this one's for you. Saxo L.A Girl. Love inspiring beauty. Yay! Thank you so much, L.A Girl. So may paganito siya. Ayan. So basically, they sent out the two eyeshadow palette. So let's clap clap clap. Thank you so much, L.A Girl. This is Aloha Vibes. Ayan, this is more of blue violet. Yan. Well, this one, the VACAY Everyday, this is more of neutral. May orange, pink. It's more of pink tone, while this one is more of blue and violet tone. So since our favorite color is color pink, we'll do first this VACAY Everyday eyeshadow palette. Ayan siya. Let's open it. Actually, na-swatches ko na siya last time eh. Nabura ko lang yung ating video clips. That's why we're filming again. So, for the swatches, we'll only do the shimmers. So, for the matte, disregard muna natin yung matte. Okay, so for the first shade would be this Holiday. Ito. Ang color niya, in person, is more of eggplant color na may pagka-maroon. Ayan. Na-shoot ako. Na-shook ako, guys. Ang ganda. Okay, the next color would be this Relax. This Relax is violet or lavender color. So for the next color would be Sandbath. This one. Yung Sandbath naman is may pagka champagne color. Yeah, may pagka champagne color siya. Ayan, as you can see. Na may pagka-orange. A little bit only. Ayan siya. May pagka-coral ng onte. Parang may shade lang siya ng onte, but more of champagne color. And very pino talaga yung pagka-ano niya, pagka-powder niya. Very fine yung kanyang powder. Beach Please. Ito. Etong Beach Please is more of bronze color. Yeah, may pagka-bronze yung color niya. This is the first class shade. Next would be this Fiesta. This one. This is like a coral color, but it's more metallic. Okay, last but not the least for this Everyday VACAY eyeshadow would be, this is a Passport. Okay, so for this shade, para siyang may pagka-plum yung color. Oh my god. What do you think about this eyeshadow, guys? I'm so amazed. Ang ganda-ganda niya. Pak na pak to sa ating mga cut trace sa eyeshadow. Alright, so I'm excited. This also for our second Hot Hot Heat eyeshadow, which is the Aloha Vibes. Ayan. Hopefully, ganun din siya kaganda. Okay, so let's start by this shade. Orchid. Yung color niya, may pagka-cotton candy. Okay. This is more lavender color, guys. Yung, kasi yung kanina, violet na may pagka eggplant violet. Ganun. This is Paradise. So, for the Paradise, this more, parang champagne din siya, guys, actually. Pero, yung pagka-color niya is, may touch of pink. Medyo na-excite ako sa next shade natin. The next shade would be the Sunshine. Yung gold. Ayan o. The Island Life. Ayan. This is the Island Life. This is actually aqua blue. Next is the Luau. If I'm not mistaken, this is how you pronounce it, Luau. Kasi may ganyan na. I remember there is recipe called Luau. Ganyan yung spelling. So, ang madi-describe ko for Luau shade is more of like lilac. Yeah, for the next shade would be Passion. Ayan siya. So, para din siyang champagne, but this one is more of ivory color kasi medyo white na talaga siya. One, Maui. This is shade Maui. This one is a metallic version of this aqua blue. Ayan siya. So, let's see. Okay, so for the second to the last shade, this is shade Bliss. Yung color naman niya is more of, para siyang brown, bronze metallic. Ganun yung color naman di-describe ko sa kanya. Ano siya? Gray metallic, ganun. Pero actually, may touch of brown din siya. Okay, so the last but not the least for this Aloha Vibes is Plumeria. This is Plumeria. Yung Plumeria naman, may pagka-silver. May pagka-silver metallic. Okay, so since we're done to our eyeshadow swatches, next we will do the makeup tutorial, and after the makeup tutorial, we'll do the final verdict about this eyeshadow, Hot Hot Heat from L.A Girl Cosmetics. So, let's begin. it, this is my final look for our makeup tutorial using this Hot Hot Heat eyeshadow palette from L.A Girl Cosmetics. Ayan na siya. And by the way, before that, I'm wearing this wig from I Wanna. Maybe you're asking where I got this wig. This is from I Wanna. You may check their website or their IG account. Okay, so what I can say about this Hot Hot Heat eyeshadow palette. For that price, this is cost like $16 to $18. Maybe for other stores, it would cost like $20. But I can assure you that this is only like $18 from drugstores. Ayan. So, very cheap, affordable, in very sulit sa $18, $17 to $18. Because this is with mirror and it's huge. Yeah. Malaki niya, malaki. Kasi laki siya ng face ko. So, and it's 16 shades, different shades. So, not bad. Parang lumalabas siya na $1 only per shade, right? Parang 1.50, something like that. Magkwentahan tayo. Yun lang yung downside netong eyeshadow palette. Hindi siya agad nagbi-blend, hindi siya nagbi-build up right away. But for the shimmers, as you can see, okay naman siya, 'di ba? Not bad. My favorite is the Island Life, the Maui, and then the Gold, which is the Sunshine. Yung smell naman niya, hindi siya yung pag binuksan mo ay maano siya, maalingasaw yung amoy nung eyeshadow. But when you smell it like that, ang strong niya, amoy pentel pen, ganon yung amoy niya. Amoy marker. Ganon yung amoy niya actually. But for me, okay naman siya. For $18. And then, okay siya for gift. Okay siya, yung kanyang cover, yung kanyang package. So, anything else, guys? I think that's all. Right? Did I miss something? Yeah, so if you have questions, comment down below. And let me know your reaction, your thoughts about this eyeshadow palette. What do you think? So yeah, that's all for now, guys. I hope you enjoy our video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like if you like my video. And don't forget to click the bell button so you'll be updated every time I upload a new video. So yeah, see you on my next one, guys. Thank you so much. Bye-bye!